When it comes to kitchen appliances, efficiency and versatility are key. This Ninja NF701 Professional XL food processor offers exactly that, taking food preparation to a whole new level. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to simplify meal prep, this food processor can tackle any task you throw at it. With its powerful motor, extensive capacity, and advanced blade technology, the Ninja NF701 is designed to streamline your kitchen experience, making cooking easier and more enjoyable. This review will dive deep into the features, benefits, and unique selling points of the Ninja NF701 Professional XL food processor. By the end, you'll understand why this product is a must-have for anyone serious about their kitchen game. And don't worry, I'll include everything you need to know to make an informed purchasing decision with hooks and retention points to keep you engaged throughout. The Ninja NF701 boasts a 1200 peak watt motor, making it one of the most powerful food processors available today. This kind of power allows it to handle even the toughest ingredients with ease. Whether you're chopping hard vegetables, shredding cheese, pureeing fruits, or mixing dough, the Ninja NF701 is up to the task. Its motor ensures consistent performance, giving you perfectly processed food every time. The key to the Ninja NF701's success lies in its Auto IQ technology. This smart system removes the guesswork from food processing, offering 4 preset programs that automatically adjust the speed and time for various tasks. Simply press a button and the Ninja NF701 will handle the rest. Whether you're chopping, slicing, shredding, or mixing, the Auto IQ programs take care of it, giving you professional results with minimal effort. This combination of power and intelligence is what sets the Ninja NF701 apart from other food processors. You no longer have to worry about over-processing or under-processing your ingredient. The Ninja NF701 ensures that everything is done to perfection, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. One of the standout features of the Ninja NF701 is its advanced blade technology. This food processor comes equipped with Ninja's signature quad blade system, designed to process ingredients uniformly. Whether you're chopping vegetables for a stir-fry or mixing dough for homemade bread, quad blade ensures that everything is evenly processed. That's not all. The Ninja NF701 also includes an adjustable slicing disc, allowing you to achieve the perfect thickness for your ingredients. From thick slices to paper-thin cuts, this feature provides unmatched precision, making your dishes look as good as they taste. With the variable slice settings, you can customize the thickness to suit your recipe's needs. Additionally, the reversible shredding disc offers both fine and coarse shredding options. This versatility makes it easy to switch between different textures, depending on what your recipe calls for. Whether you're making coleslaw, grating cheese, or preparing garnishes, the Ninja NF701 handles it all with ease. This level of precision is something that every cook values. With the Ninja NF701, you can rest assured that your ingredients will be processed exactly the way you want, every time. The Ninja NF701 is not just powerful and precise, it's also built for large quantities. The 12-cup processing bowl is extra large, making it perfect for families or for those who love to entertain. Whether you're preparing a big batch of salsa for a party or chopping vegetables for a family dinner, the Ninja NF701 can handle it all. This family-size capacity ensures that you can process large quantities of ingredients in one go, saving you time and effort. No more processing small batches one at a time. Now you can get the job done quickly and efficiently. This is especially beneficial for those who like to meal prep or cook in bulk, as the Ninja NF701 can handle larger tasks with ease. The XL feed chute with a 3-part pusher further enhances the convenience of this food process. It accommodates ingredients of all sizes, reducing the need for pre-cutting. Whether you're processing whole vegetables or large chunks of meat, the XL feed chute ensures that you can get the job done quickly and efficiently. One of the most significant advantages of the Ninja NF701 is how easy it is to clean and assemble. After a long day of cooking, the last thing you want is to spend extra time cleaning up. Fortunately, the Ninja NF701 makes this process simple and hassle-free. All the removable parts of the food processor, including the bowl, lid, discs, and blades, are dishwasher safe. This means that cleanup is as easy as placing the parts in the dishwasher and letting it do the work for you. No more scrubbing or soaking, just quick and easy cleanup, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time washing dishes. The quick assembly of the Ninja NF701 is another user-friendly feature. Swapping out discs and blades is a breeze, allowing you to move from one function to the next without wasting time. This makes the Ninja NF701 perfect for multitasking in the kitchen, as you can seamlessly switch between chopping, slicing, shredding, and mixing with minimal effort. Safety is always a concern in the kitchen, and the Ninja NF701 has you covered. The food processor is equipped with several safety features, including an automatic shut-off when the lid is opened. This ensures that the appliance will not operate unless it is securely assembled, reducing the risk of accident. The Ninja NF701 is also built to last. Its durable construction includes a stainless steel motor base and BPA-free plastic parts, ensuring that the food processor can withstand heavy use over time. This durability, combined with Ninja's long warranty, gives you peace of mind that your investment is protected. This combination of safety and durability makes the Ninja NF701 a reliable kitchen companion for years to come. Whether you're using it daily or occasionally, you can trust that it will perform consistently and safely every time. In conclusion, the Ninja NF701 Professional XL Food Processor is an essential addition to any kitchen. Powerful motor, advanced blade technology, and family-size capacity make it the perfect tool for anyone who loves to cook. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this food processor will make your life easier and your meals better. With its Auto IQ preset programs, you can achieve professional-level results with minimal effort. Precision blade technology ensures that your ingredients are processed perfectly every time, while the large capacity and XL feed chute make it easy to prepare large quantities of food quickly. Plus, the easy cleanup and quick assembly make the Ninja NF701 incredibly user-friendly. And with its durable construction and safety features, you can trust that this food processor will last for years to come. You're ready to take your cooking to the next level. The Ninja NF701 Professional XL Food Processor is the appliance for you. It's powerful, versatile, and built to make your time in the kitchen more enjoyable and efficient. So why wait? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring home the Ninja NF701 today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.